Hello everyone, and welcome you all to another chapter of the MS Word Advanced tutorial. So now we are on our chapter number 6, and here I'll be combining multiple Word files in one. Okay, so here we'll be learning about that, like how you will be able to do that. If you try to do it manually, it will take a lot of time. Okay, so in that case, what I'll be doing is I'll be doing it quite easily for you guys, and I'll also show you guys the steps of how to do it. So let's not waste time and let's get started. So now here, as you guys can see, now basically this is my MS Word Advanced resource file. Okay, so from here, what I'll be doing is here you guys can see I do have four particular Word file right over here. Okay, so as you guys can see, okay, so from here, now what I'm going to do is I am going to put all of these four files into one. Okay, so if you guys want to see how many pages do I have, okay, so here I do have one page. Okay, and let's check over to this one. Here I do have 5 pages, okay, in this particular Word document. And over here, let's see, 3 over here. And lastly, I will check this one, okay, and let's see how many pages. So I do have only one page here in the last one. Okay, so now I will come here and suppose I want this particular page to come first. Okay, and this particular page I want to put in second. So in that case, what I'll do is I will rename those things. Okay, so from here I will just click here in the beginning, and from here maybe I will just click on one and I'll just give up a space. Okay, so suppose this page I want to put this one in number 2. Okay, so I will come here and I will just come here at the first, and after that I will just write on 2. Okay, and suppose this file I want to put this one in 3. Okay, space over here, and the same way I will rename this file over here as well. Okay, I'll 4 and space. Okay, so here now once I click over here, and if I come to the sort option and if I click, okay, so here you guys can see now these are being saved according to the names over here. Okay, so now what I'll do is I'll come here and I'll just open my Word file, and from here I will take up a blank document. Okay, so here you guys can see I have taken up a blank document over here, and from here, from the home option, I will come here in the insert option, and from insert option here you guys can see I do have an icon which is called the object. So I'll come here, click on the object option, and under object option here you guys can see I do have text from file option. Okay, so now insert text from file, in that one I will just click over here, and basically I will be able to search where I do have that particular option. Okay, like where do I have those pages. So here, as you guys can see, I do have all these pages, and now what I can do is I can come here and maybe I will just select all these four up, and I will just click on the insert sign. So here basically you guys can see now I do have my pages all in one all together. Okay, so here you guys can see this is the first one. Okay, and here the third one over here, it's merging with this one right over here. Okay, so the good morning page, it have merged with this one. Okay, suppose if you want to now put this one in a different page, in that case what you can do is you can just come here, and after that you can come to this blank page option. Okay, so here you guys can see now I'm here in a blank page option. Okay, so basically you guys can see it right over here. Okay, so now this one here is in a different page. Okay, so now here, if we check, okay, so let's come to this point again, and now let's try to open these files over here onto the sides. Okay, so now let's come and let's check this one. Okay, so this one was the page number 1. Okay, so here you guys can see this was the page number 1 over here. Okay, and let's close this down, and let's check this one. Okay, the second one. So here you guys can see the page alignment is not that great. Okay, so in that case, if I So like this, you guys will be able to view this one. And if you want to come down over here, if you want to make some changes, okay, in that case, you guys will be able to make some changes. Suppose from here, I want to change the size. Okay, I will come here. And what I'll do is I will just increase the size up to 72 and also change the effect over here. Okay, so here you guys can see I do have the effects on over here. Okay, if I do want to increase anything, okay, I will be able to do it right from here as well. Okay, so you guys can do kind of like this. And now if I want to change the color, okay, I can come here, maybe select this out and maybe put on a color. Okay, so this is how it will actually look. Okay, so I hope you guys have understood this class on how we'll be able to merge different word videos over here. Okay, so basically if I come over here and if I just click here on top, here you guys can see section 1, okay, 2, and I do have 3 and 4 right underneath. Okay, so here as you guys can see, I do have all those things right over here. Okay, so this is how you guys will be doing this merging all together. Okay, how many documents you do have. Okay, you guys can put all of those and just import it from the design or the insert option. Okay, so from object you go to text from file, select those files and bring it on to a new one. Okay, so hope to see you all in the next chapter. Till then, take care and goodbye everyone.